What's up, everybody? It's Keith with KD's Bass Kicking Adventures. Thanks for clicking on the video. What you're about to see is my last trip to Meadow last year while chasing my 500 bass. It was a interesting trip. I did a little bit of camera angles than normal, so you'll see me a lot more than you will just the chest mount. So hopefully you like it. There is a contest to win a couple crankbaits or lures. If you watch long enough, you'll see. So watch the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Just let me know what you think. You know, if you like these angles better than just the chest mount only. But this was a fun video to make, so here we go. Good morning, everybody. Keith here again with KD's Bass Kicking Adventures. Out at our good old trusty Meadow Lake to try to achieve my goal of 500 bass this year. About 23 bass away, I'm 23 bass away from hitting that goal. So it's about 7:52 a.m. Water temps are coming in right around 57.4. So nice, cool, crisp morning to start off. But I'm pretty sure and optimistic out here at Meadow that I'm going to get my 23. I'm going to shoot for by 11. I know that's 8 fish an hour for 3 hours. So kind of a hefty goal, but let's see what we can do. Morning again, everybody. Down here at the south end of the wall. Let's see if the bass are biting. Not a lot of movement anywhere. No wind. So let's figure out where the fish are. All right, first cast, first fish. Stay down. Decent one. Well, all right. Good start to the morning. Nice little guy. Been caught a few times. His jaw's all broke. So, I'll take a photo for the wifey as usual. First fish of the day. And let's get a weight on this one for the start. And see how today's gonna progress. 1.56. Need to get it a little bit bigger, buddy. Thank you, though. The way he goes. And just to show you guys, 477 to start. Make sure you can see that. 478 on the board. All right, back to fishing. Let's see what we can get here. One down, 22 to go. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. feel it. So, now that I'm away from this way, I can cast over here better. And another one. Little guy. Thank you. Oh, he came up at the boat. Didn't know I needed a net for that little guy, but okay. It's alright. Didn't want him anyway. He's too small. Hungry little guys today. Another one at the boat. All you can do is laugh. It's still early. If the rest of them go that way, I might not be laughing on the video, but you probably won't be seeing that on YouTube either. So it would definitely not be for kids. I'm gonna answer that question with an exclamation point. Alright, this one's in the top of the mouth. They shouldn't come out. It's that side of the mouth that I'm not too fond of. Another little guy, but he's pretty thick. So it's got potential for future. That photo and stuff won't load till I get back up closer to the front because I lose signal back here, but 77 and 3. Got it. I need to pay attention to that. 20 more. I'm on a pretty good pace. Having 3 already. Oh. Little guy. It's loaded with little guys, but just means fish for the future. I get asked a lot why don't I keep them? A, I don't want to take time to clean them. B, they're bass, so they're I've heard they're not as tasty as, you know, crappie or walleye and stuff. So it's more of a sport fish. They don't multiply as quickly as crappie and bluegill and stuff. So I'm more just a catch, photo, release kind of guy. Yes, I'd like to eat fish, but mine's usually a store-bought. I know they say Iowa waters are safe, but you just never know. There's lots of runoff from all the fields and farms and stuff. I mean, right now I can see cows running in the cornfield just right up the hill, so you know there's got to be some feces runoff and stuff. So I'll just continue with my catch, photo, release and buy from the store, unless I change tactics and feel like cleaning them, but I don't. I mean, they got to be, I think, 15 inches in order to catch them here or to keep them. So yes, it's definitely doable. I've caught my fair share of 15 and larger, but I let them swim for another day. Don't get me wrong, I'm not faulting anybody that keeps them. As long as you have a valid license, you can do whatever you do as long as it's within limits. So it's bound and determined to put you in the water, or not the water, the sun. Like I said, I'll do my darndest to prevent that from happening. Ooh, this is a good one. Stay down, stay on, stay on. Hello, mister. Yes, yes, you're definitely gonna get weighed. Back here in the boat. Another decent one, look at that. Let's see a length on this guy. Push it down. Almost 16 inches. Come on. Now they got fish all over me. Woohoo! Let's get a clean hand-ish and a weight. I know I haven't hit the clicker yet. Go with 2.6, 2.6, and man, I'm way off. 2.2. A little optimistic there, Keither, but another 2-pounder. Bye. Good number 5 fish. Whenever it's too cold to see the turtles. Last time I was here, I was exploring a little bit because the DNR told me about a pond up on the hill, and I found a fully intact turtle shell, minus the turtle. So then I began to wonder, did he actually move? Or did he get eaten? I'm pretty sure he got eaten. Turtles don't typically move shells. Not like the cartoons and stuff when you're a little kid. They can't take them off. Yep, you can tell the watercolor, or the water's getting colder, just simply because of the color of the fish, really. Earlier this year when I was catching them, they were all just a straight greenish color. But as you can see, the lateral lines are showing up more, bottom's a little more white, top a little more green. Bye. I like this time of year. This in the spring. Ask and you shall receive. All right. That one I actually, as you can see, got into the boat. 484. Apparently this isn't as good of a combination as the ghost ice. Now I guess I'll take it back. All we gotta do is say how things are not going, and then they go for me. So, granted, almost lost this little guy. Not very big. Okay, so this is what I mean when I say that he choked it. As you can see, it's way down in there. And he's out. Little guy, but I guess all fish have to eat. Can't get bigger if they're not gonna eat. Excuse me, 909, and I'm up to 9 fish. 10 fish, maybe. I guess you gotta weed out all the little guys to get to the big ones, right? Small one. Thank you, though. Number 10. I'll find some big ones eventually. Always seem to get at least, well, I mean, I guess I've got a couple decent ones today. 1.6 and a 2.2. 2.2 on a hard 4. If you know what that movie reference is, 2.2 on the hard 4, leave a comment below. I know my wife will get it, because we say it all the time. But if anybody else is a movie buff or junkie, let me know what that line is from. 2.2 on a hard 4. If I get some comments with the right answer, I might give away a couple crankbaits. There's no might. I will give away a couple crankbaits. Unless you're my wife. You don't count. You're not eligible. Everybody else watching is eligible. Two on the hard 4. So I've said it before in a couple other videos, but I don't think it's made the cut. So I'll try to at least put it in this time. But my fishing superstition is I have to hit up at Casey's. Has to be Casey's, can't be QT. Found that out. And every time I do hit a Casey's, I get a Monster, a Gatorade, and a slice of breakfast pizza. And typically when I do that is when I have my good days. So when I break that streak, I don't catch much of anything, if anything at all. So far it's been good today. Up to almost 10. Stopped at my good old Casey's in Stewart. So gonna be a good day. Already a good day. Trick is get close to the wood pile, but not in the wood pile. Like that. Where's your big brothers and sisters at? They've got to be hungry too. Guy. Easy release for this little guy. All right, 490, 10 to go in 1 hour to hit my 500 by 11. All right, there you have it. If you are still watching the video, leave a comment down below on the answer to the question. I will give it 1 week from today, so next Sunday I will go ahead and gather up all the correct answers and then do a drawing for 3 crankbaits. I will go ahead and get in contact with you, find out what you like, what you prefer depth-wise, style-wise, and then get those sent out to you. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment, and watch some of my other videos if you can too as well. So thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.